Now I'm in the 중급대학영어 1 and I'm looking at the assignment diary. So let me talk about this one to you, okay, with you. This task is talking about the results of your middle exam, okay? Results of the middle exam. So in this diary, first you have to write about what are the most difficult questions, okay? And secondly, general comment on the class, maybe some suggestions or things like that. You have to write in English within 300 words, okay? And so you do the work in the Word, and you go back and forth from Grammarly to Word to Excel file, okay? So in your assignment, you need to send two documents. One, Word version of your diary on the Word version of your diary on the test. Okay, and the class comment. Excel version of your error table showing what types of errors are appearing in your diary. So use the attached documents. In order to do the work, what you have to do is download this one, okay? And so I make it save, and let me open up the Word version, a sample diary, okay? Well, uh, let me close this one, and let me change the sample diary here, remove this one, and a sample of the diary for 중급대학영어. Click on that and 저장, and let me open this up. And so if you take a look at this one, a sample diary. So first of all, what you have to do is write a comment on the test and the classroom. Here I provided the example, okay? Example here. So this is the task one that you need to do, and example is here. So what you have to do is copy this one, okay? The sample of this one, and where you should go. You should go to the Grammarly, okay? And let me delete this one and paste like that. And then what you have to do is you have to download the Excel version, okay? A sample of the 중급, I'm sorry, not the Word, but at this time you need to open up the Excel version, okay? And let's open it up. And so if you open that one, you see, okay. What I have to do is go to the Grammarly and check the errors that the Grammarly suggests, okay? And so Table 1 talks about diary on the test and comment. So if you take a look at this one, uh, well, uh, the red part is obviously critical one. So if you click on this one, oh yeah, okay, this one. So involved here, it should be comma and quotation, and so this one belongs to the category of comma and under the mechanic there is the period and quotation. Okay, so you can put one here. Let me make it right here. Okay, so um, period and quotation obviously one, and scroll down, involving again. Oh yeah, right here. So the problem is referring to the above sentence, it is correct to use involving. Okay, the same problem here, right here, period and quotation, and the period and quotation. So there are two of them, so you can make it as a three. And here you accept this one. So if you accept this, everything will be okay. And right now, oh, right here, involved. Oh yeah. And so period and quotation again, number four. And I have to accept this one because it's wrong. So I see nothing is red here, and so you can copy this one and go back to Word. Okay, and so right here, grammar checked version. So select that, and you can just put the Control V. Okay, here, and then everything is over. Right. Okay, grammar checked version and things like that. And so the second job to do is to talk about your comment on using Grammarly. And as you can see, there are many. If you take a look at the original version, you see many red parts. Again, what I need to do is copy this one, okay? And then copy this one. Okay, copy and go to Grammarly and remove the previous work and Control V. And so if I put that, you can see this one. And what I need is the table again. And so I need to create the new one, another one. So table 2, obviously here, table 2, right, okay? Table 2 uh, talks about my comment on using a Grammarly. Okay, and so let me minimize this one, okay, and so that I can do the work. Okay, table 2. Yeah, I need to make yeah. Nope. Okay. So thanks for should be thanks to. Obviously, this belongs to the category of the preposition, I would say. And so I can put one here and accept. And if I click on that, well, comma problem, capitalization, article, and object. Okay, so I would put the comma at first. So comma number one, and capitalization is the issue of the capitalization one. Okay, and the article, the problem here, an object occurs, and so object is right here one. Okay, so okay, I would accept this one. And about I realized that I had made, okay, so it's agreement of the tense. Okay, agreement in tense agreement one, preposition problem, preposition right here number two. Okay, preposition, and I would rephrase here, and if I click on that, it talks about, for example, I was confused about. So it's transitive versus intransitive problem here. One, nouns or nouns, it's agreement in number, agreement in noun, I would say two. Okay, accept. And I wrote it should be am writing, so tense agreement, I would say number two again. Oops, number two. Okay, and so this one talks about the preposition errors. Okay, so preposition. Okay, number three, accept. And there is no many times. The problem is negation, first of all. Problem with the negation here. One. And much time. Agreement in noun. Agreement in noun. So number three. And so I would accept this one. So I couldn't calm and fully focusing on. So the problem is calm down. Calm down, transitive versus intransitive, number two. And fully focus, this one belongs to the category of the parallelism. Okay, so put number two here and accept. If I put this one, so accept, but if I click on that, comma should be deleted and preposition problem, comma and preposition here. Okay, so comma, preposition, preposition here. Okay, I would accept this one. Okay, unartificial. There should be no on here, and so we can say no on. The problem is right here. One. I would accept this one, and it is used for blah blah blah. Not only A for talks about the word order. Okay, this one belongs to the word order, and phones, cars, agreement noun agreement two, and so five altogether. Not only four, but also four. and the medical. Okay, so put the number two, the medical. I'd accept this one. And so this advantageous too. So talks about the preposition. Okay. Okay, five. The oh, not the most, but the biggest. So this one talks about the word choice. Okay, word choice number two. Oh, I'm sorry, number one. And so I will accept this one. Advantages to accept. So I don't see any red. Oh yeah, right here. I check this one. Okay. And so rephrase. Okay. Let me copy this one because this is the grammar checked version. So copy this one and go to Word and my search on using Grammarly program, and here talks about my thoughts on using Grammarly program checked by Grammarly. So let me remove this one and add up the revised version checked by Grammarly. Okay, so you don't see any red part here. Okay, and so that's it. Okay, that's it for your assignment for the Word version, and the other one for Excel version 1. Okay, there are two tables basically. Okay, one for diary, two for comment on using Grammarly. Okay, and so uh, let me close this, and so the due date for this assignment is May the 5th. Okay, you have to upload your assignment here with two documents, two different kinds of documents. Okay, one for DOC, two for Excel. Okay.